Not on the floor. Atta girl. I told her showed her how to make bubbles.
Papa.
Okay, focus. Focus on the baby.
I got it.
Can we turn the water off now?
No.
Of course not.
No, Nana.
How old are you?
No.
Right on. What's your name?
Bobby.
That's really close. What's your fish's name?
Abby.
That's right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. My name is Lily and I love making messes.
I got it.
Very good.
Oh.
Can you do it some more? Hey, good job.
Oh no. You know. Oh.
You want me to opal? Okay. That means I gotta shut it off.